Surfshark VPN Review 2025, the only unlimited device VPN you need in Black Friday deal. Stop paying too much for your VPN. In 2025, most top VPNs limit your connections to 5 or 10 devices, but one elite VPN still offers the ultimate freedom. This is the Surfshark Review you need right now. Surfshark is the only premium VPN that lets you connect unlimited devices under one single account. That means your phone, your laptop, your smart TV, your gaming console, and your entire family's devices, all protected for one low price. But Surfshark is much more than just a great value. With over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries, it's lightning fast. We're talking about WireGuard protocol speeds that can handle 4K streaming and huge downloads without buffering or lag. Yes, it effortlessly unblocks Netflix, Disney+, and all your streaming favorites. And right now is the best time to buy. Surfshark has launched its Black Friday 2025 deal early. You get the longest plan for up to 88% off. Plus, they throw in 3 extra months for free. This is the cheapest price you will see all year. Here's the insider tip. For only 20 cents more per month, you can upgrade to Surfshark One. That bundle gives you the VPN, plus a powerful antivirus and dark web monitoring. That's complete security for barely $2 a month. This Black Friday deal will not last forever. If you want the fastest, cheapest, and only premium VPN for unlimited devices, click the Surfshark discount link in the description right now and secure your price before the deal expires.